September we met, I could tell by your smile, you hadn't been with.
Okay guys, so I just received a couple of parts actually. I got the new ESC with the RS. I'm going to be doing an installment video. If you guys like, comment below. But I've seen another video on this thing. People don't explain things sometimes, so I'm just it's on my 90s. The 2,000 miles. They are separated from here. But I mean, it's all good. Anyhow, so these are the new Glow wheels. Compared to this is very squishy. It's very kind of nice and comfortable. These are really, I would say, a quarter of an inch less thicker. This is 2.5. I don't have a measuring tape, but I feel, I mean, you can still squeeze, but they are noticeably harder than this. These are super squishy. These are, that's it. So anyway, I seen somebody else put the video, but they don't explain what the heck is in here. So, oh, by the way, the pulleys, these are the short ones. They don't go through. If you see looking at the wheel, it got a stopper right there. The plastic thing stops right there. So you could tell this thing do not go through it. It's not the long one that come all the way out. These are 40 teeth. I counted it, 42. And it's a dual bearing system. It's got one bearing on the back and on the front, which makes this pulley so steady. Click in, you know, this is just amazing. I like this. One on the front, one on the back. Ain't no plate in between. And I noticed that they go in here kind of very tight. So that's a good thing to me. I feel like I'm gonna have to bang them in, but no plate, no noise. Anyway, I want to show what's in here inside that thing right there. So I'm just gonna remove this one. Bada bam. I'm gonna do that, and I have a feeling. Well, I know for sure. I have 36 tooth kegel pulley in the back. That's the one that came stock with these wheels. So I know I'm gonna have to move the motor either back or forward. Most likely forward, because these are 40 tooth, so they are a bit bigger actually. Remove your wheel, spacer. Okay, I wanna show what's in here. Seen the other video, and gonna show what was in there. They even started moving in, and you know, it doesn't lag. The light, I want to keep this in the same position that it came. There's a metal thing in there. It look like little magnets or something. I know that the wheel's supposed to rotate around this generator, and that's going to transfer the electricity to it. I don't know if you guys, like back in the day, I'm kind of OG. So back in the day, we used to use the dynamo, we call it dynamo, on a bicycle wheel, which will spin little wheel next to the tire, and it will spin it and create energy. That's the way this work. So yeah, I'm not sure if the LED bulbs are connected anyhow into that thing right there. But anyway, this, if it's not fit in there tightly, the wheel will not rotate around it. It will not cause no energy. That's why I saw the other video, they just spinning the tire and it like go off. Anyway, this got to be tight against both sides of the bearing. So this works as a spacer, and I just noticed it's magnetic. You see that? Magnetic. So yeah. So this came this way on the tire. Put the bearing first, and this will go just like this. Yeah, it's got like a little notch. I don't know if you can see it. This is plain, and this notch. So that notch is gonna go towards the inside. That's the way they came. So actually, I want to be super careful with this. I don't know how fragile it could be. Oh snap! Now it's stuck in there with the magnet, dude. Oh, snap it out. So, bro, do you believe? Okay, so the notch go outside, whatever. So dig it in, baby. And I'm gonna slide it over. Push that into the feel like a lot. You see, the other guy is spinning it, you don't do nothing. Of course, it's loose, but anyhow. But the way, the same variants that are included on the board, on all his boards, all the reel, which have proven to me to be good. I mean, every variant you got to do some type of maintenance into it. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm not gonna make this too tight. Right there, play finishes, and nothing is happening, right? So, guess gotta go a bit tighter, because that means that the little generator, the walls is not constricted or hold, so that the wheel will spin around it. So you can see, it's still pretty loose. I'm just going easy. Okay, now it feels like it got a little tight up, and there goes the glow. Go the glow, baby. There's no plate, so I know I could go back a little bit. I like to keep it nice. But oh, there goes my GoPro. By the way, this is what I use. You see, this is like first generation GoPro. So I get the, call it working with what you got, making the best out of it. Videos come out pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the light. I mean, it's right, the light here. But that's how they are installed, and that's how they function. Difference between these and the ones from the bulb that they claim to be glow wheels is that these, after they turn off, like you stop, the urethane stays, I don't know if I should say power it or charge with light. So the ones from the bulb, you got to put a flashlight on them, and you know, it's like them glow in the dark stickers you put in your kit ceiling, and you turn off the light, they kind of glow, they fluorescent. So this ones, they do that when you stop the wheel, that the lights stop, turn off, it empower the fluorescent particles or whatever you want to call it in their urethane, and they still glowing green, bro. This is beautiful. So 120 bulbs, you light up, they get charged, a few minutes later they turn off. This thing's got their own power source, so they will stay lit up you know, for a long time. It generates its own power. And by the way, these things will glow as long as they spinning. Ain't no battery required. Feel fairly quiet. There might be a little wobble there present, but they, as every new tire, you gotta break them in. So yeah, this is how they looking, really nice and bigger. These are 90 millimeters. You can see there the size comparison. That's an extra. Pretty sure this will give or take in mileage. You probably get more speed, but since you got 4 extra teeth on that pulley, it might level out to be the same. So yeah, next video I'm gonna be riding this bay batch. I'm gonna do the ESC installation process on there. Yeah, man, I'm feeling this. Even though they pink, I'm not a pink guy. I'm pretty sure I'm feeling this pink. You know what I mean? Looking sexy, baby. So there you go, guys.